In this video, I will show you how to fix Google account security and privacy of your Android devices to keep your Android device more secure. Let me show you how. So I'm going to start all over from the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and exit from this tab right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then look for settings on your Android phone. Go ahead and click on settings. Then having opened up settings, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to security and privacy. Click on that and it's going to take you right here. And then scroll down right here and make sure you click on account security right here. And it's going to take you right here. What you want to do right here is to make sure you check for Google account security checkup and then your password checkup. Then right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and simply click on Google security checkup right here. Click on that. Then here you go. Sign in and recovery. Create another pass key should in case. What you need to do right here is to make sure you simply click on continue right here. And you are done, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to close this tab. Then click on here to go back. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and simply click on password checkup. So at this point here, you have to make sure you check on your reused password and weak password. Open up your reused password right here, and then you want to make sure you review and change as many as possible different password that have been reused right here. Then close this and then go ahead and check on your weak password right here. Make sure you fix some of the weak password right here in order to maintain unaided account security of your Android device. It's that simple. Done. The next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and go back to your security account for confirmation. Go ahead and click on here to go back. And you'll be taking it back right here. Scroll down right here and here you go. You have account security being protected. Go ahead and open it again and everything here is being fully protected. Click on here to go back. It's that simple. All things are being fully secure in your Google account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.